This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Garringer. This one-of-a-kind cozy Gulf access cottage-like home has been completely updated and remodeled inside. It has a boat lift and double davits. Electric at dock with a fish cleaning area. Large screened and windows lanai with views of the canal. No bridges and just minutes to open water. If you want the true feel of paradise living, come one come all. It also has the sought-after southern exposure. You can watch beautiful sunrises and sunsets from the open lanai area. So bring your boat, fishing pools and your favorite beverage and enjoy the beautiful Florida lifestyle. For more information, review the details below.